Hello, this is Dan again. I like to always do video instructions to let you know what's going on with it. So after you download this Word document for the Module 1 for the project analysis class with it, and I gave you these instructions. They're going to be, it's kind of like a template in every one of these modules that we work on with it. So I'm just going to read it to you one time, make sure that you and I hear the same thing and all that stuff with it as well. After this module, you don't, I don't, it's all the instructions will still be the same. You're going to have a video link for that each of the modules that I'm going to record like this at the same time. All right, first of all, please keep this Word document as part of as whatever this is. Okay, so don't change this. Don't change the format of it. Don't use another software and convert it to another format. Keep it as a docx for me. So when you upload it, I can edit it and grade it and the whole thing with it. The second thing is please put your name on the upper right hand corner here, your full name on here with it. Anywhere it's yellow, highlighted yellow, you need to complete. Please, anywhere I highlight yellow, you have to complete before you turn it in with it. Everyone gets one submission, which means that everything is submitted inside of eCampus in the grade center, in the module number section that I have. I don't accept anything through email assignments unless it's a redo and I ask for it. Other than that, please submit everything inside of eCampus so it links to the grade center. It makes my life a lot easier with it as well. Don't send it to me on the side, okay? And of course, this video link is going to be here in this blue section here as well. For task number 1, all you need to do is just read through it. For me, part of learning is you got to write it out, read it, engage, participate. So this is for your reading assignment with it. So it's going to be a couple of 2 or 3 pages about the 5 development cycle with it as well. So just be familiar with it. Towards the bottom for this, each one of them, I tell you specifically what I'm looking for. So in this task number 1 section, there isn't anything much to do besides watch the video that I provided on the top and read this section with it. When you do part 2, task 2, with it, please click on your video here. If you click on the control button and left mouse click on it, it will open up a YouTube video for this 10 terminology with it as well. So please put your definitions here. I will grade for grammar as well with it, so write complete sentences for me, please. I'm looking for 10 of your definitions in here, and it will tell you what are the 10 definitions in that video. So again, part of learning is you got to hear it, write it, and it will help you remember and stick to it as well. So a lot of common language we need to be defined here with it as well. The third part is the discussion part with it. So this is the part where you need to go to the eCampus and open up on the top there's activity and go to the discussion board and find module 1. I need for you to create all of your discussion boards in this class is our video, by the way. So download a YouTube app video and record yourself on a phone, and then once you're done, upload that video and send me the link. That's all I'm asking for. Make sure it's a 3 to 5 minutes video on there as well with it. So that's what I'm looking for. All right. In your video, what will you be talking about? Well, I'm looking for something. What's your experience on project management? It doesn't have to be anything that's work related. You do it at home. You were in charge of a small project. It could be a construction project. It could be something about landscaping. Anything that you were in charge of. How's that? All right. It could be for profit. It could be for nonprofit. It could be a personal. It could be a volunteer. Please share with me what your leadership role in there is as well. All right. So how did you communicate? How many people were involved? Was this a team project? Is this a class project with it? Thirdly, tell me how you feel after completing the project. How did you feel? It doesn't have to be successful or fail. That's why I really don't care with it. But all along in your life up to this point, you probably did more than you think that you did. So share with me. I just want to hear what's each one of us projects or project management skills are like with it as well. Fourth, how many people were involved in the project? I mean, I had a student She was, what's it? Walk people's dogs for a living with it. She was managing 5 dogs at the same time. That counts, okay? They're living. Doesn't have to be people. It could be pets, okay? So what's the motivation for you to participate in the project? Okay, so what motivated you with it? What fuel that with it? Does the project cost any money, or was there any money related to it? Please elaborate. It doesn't have to be about these five items with it. After you do that, with your video recording with it, copy and paste your link to your discussion board here, and the one in your discussion board as well. Okay, so please make it public so I can access it. Don't make it private, and be funny and put it on private, and I can't access it. Okay, so this will conclude the instruction for Module 1 for the development of the life cycle of project management of the life cycle with it as well. Alrighty, hope to hear from everybody soon. Thank you.